Made a basket. Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you really briefly kind of where we're at. We're just about to hit November 2021, and believe it or not, it's still a crazy market. I just had an offer on the table yesterday, and there were 12 offers in total. We ended up putting a really solid offer down. Some of the things that you can possibly do when you're working with your client, or if you have any, if you want to get an offer down on the table and potentially win it, some of the things you can do are going to be making sure that you have as few contingencies as possible. I can explain to you a little bit later on what contingencies actually mean. But one of the things that I've done with some buyers is actually to have pre-inspections done on properties. This way, when you actually go to submit an offer, you can take the inspection contingency away if you're comfortable with it. And from what I'm seeing in the marketplace, those are the people that are typically winning offers these days. And of course, you've got to have a really good offer, high dollars, low contingencies, flexible dates sometimes. Just want to give you guys a quick heads up what it's going to take to win a property these days. Take care.